real quick. Ah, kitty, 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 kitty. Damn it.
I think you
Okay.
should just forego the entire idea that you're completely say so.
But don't worry about the 6 times you swore this stream. How come I can't put stairs on this?
Stairs on what?
There are
Stairs
slabs,
where?
not full blocks. Oh.
Yeah.
Darn it. Okay.
You can only put
That's
stuff
floor
on
paneling.
the top block of the thing. If it's
That's
on
floor
the bottom.
paneling.
Why is there
Yeah,
a
that's
hole
floor-
underneath my... What is in this? The hell? What the hell?
Is that the...
That's where the thing
Oh, it
is! No!
Ah,
Guys!
interesting.
Stop it!
I think I know who put it. There's only one person that I know that has that many jukeboxes. Hot wire the entire thing down there.
This wasn't down here. Oops, sorry. Who put this down here? Why is there a tunnel? Who put a tunnel down here? What the hell?
No,
does this
don't
go?
worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Someone
Okay,
put
don't
something
worry
in
Beep-beep-beep-beep-boop.
Be careful with that disc, it's extremely rare. Okay.
Which one was it called?
It was the one that she injected out of the jukebox that was making the roaring sounds.
There we go. You guys can deal with it, not me.
Yeah, people have been putting stuff in underneath your house and in your walls the entire time. JJ.
Yeah,
you just didn't know it.
It's like a common occurrence by this point.
Christ.
Yeah, that's why you had JJ's best friend, the pufferfish, and like other things in your wall, causing you to take damage.
Why is this look like it's a... Why is what... There we go.
That's the play.
You don't like where I put the auto jukebox. This can be where the auto jukebox is. Why does this look like blood?
That's redstone. That's redstone.
Oh, I think I
Yeah,
have
it's
a copy.
redstone.
Oh wait, no. I think I gave it away. Yeah, I gave it away. I had another one of those discs, I believe.
I don't like
Forgot
this.
who I gave it to.
Don't like that sound. Don't like that sound. Okay, cool. Alright, now that I've done that then. Alright, cool. I can now block off this hole. Jeez. This look